Hello everyone. Today we will discuss World Trade Organization WTO was started in 1995 to replace General Agreement on Trade and Tariff GATT. GATT was established in 1948 with 23 countries. It was established as Global Trade Organization, meaning of it to administer all multilateral trade agreements by providing equal opportunities to all countries in the international market for trading purposes. WTO. Now we will discuss functions of WTO. Number 1. To establish a rule-based trading regime in which nations cannot place arbitrary restrictions on trade. Number 2. It aims at the removal of tariff and non-tariff barriers to foreign trade. Number 3. To enlarge production and trade of services. Number 4. To ensure optimum utilization of world resources. Number 5. To protect the environment. The WTO agreements cover trade in goods as well as services to facilitate international trade through removal of tariff as well as non-tariff barriers and providing greater market access to all member countries. There are 164 members in WTO. As an important member of WTO, India has been in the forefront of framing fair global rules, regulations, and safeguards and advocating the interest of the developing world. India has kept its commitments towards liberalization of trade by removing quantitative restrictions on imports and reducing tariff rates. Should India be a member of WTO? Some scholars are of the view that there is no use of developing countries like India to be a member of the WTO. According to them, major volume of international trade occurs among the developed nations. Developed countries file complaints over agricultural subsidies given in their countries. Developing countries feel cheated as they are forced to open their markets for developed countries, but are not allowed access to the markets of developed countries. Yes, friends, now we will discuss some terms which are used in this chapter. Bilateral trade. Bilateral trade is the trade between two countries. Multilateral trade. Trade between more than two countries. All the members have most favored nation status. Countries trade with each other as per the rules in general agreement. Tariff barriers. Custom duties can be used as trade barriers. Heavy import duty can discourage import and heavy export duty can reduce exports. Countries used tariff barriers to protect domestic producers and consumers. Non-tariff barriers, they are also called quantitative restrictions. The countries impose import quota and export quota. Quota refers to the maximum quantity that can be imported or exported. Quotas discourage import and export. Thank you.